Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I'll be reading you a poem called Remembering Once Again from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Remembering Once Again. As I sit back, pondering the journey of my life, I realize there are no mistakes, only learning or remembering what I once knew. I realized when the journey gets difficult and trials manifest without warning in sight, I only have to refocus and choose you. Then I remember what was forgotten once again. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I deal with this usually every day. I forget here and there, and then I have to bring myself back. But that's the thing, as long as you can bring yourself back, I believe. Because if you don't bring yourself back, you can just go down a rabbit hole and just never remember. It's all a choice, I believe. And I choose to remember. Thank you so much, Danny G. I love this poem. It was amazing. And it brings perspective, I believe. Thank you for listening so much. Have a beautiful day.